Hello everyone, I'm Chloe. Happy New Year. Welcome back to another new video. So today I have the MEGABOX from the Positive Teacher Company. This was a Christmas present from my mum. So it has been here for a little while now. It's been over a week and I still haven't opened it. I've been saving it to open it with you guys. I have had a little peek, but I haven't properly opened anything. So I've just had a little look at things that are inside. So these are filled with all different bits from the 2025 collection. So you should expect like designs that have been on the plans this year. Yeah, let's open it and see what we have. So like I say, it is a mystery box, so you don't know what you're going to get. We'll pop it to one side, like, oh, maybe this way. That's better. Now I'm not blocking out the light. I'm actually on a desk. All of my videos, I've used to have to film like sat cross-legged on the carpet because I didn't have a desk. If you've been following me for a while, you would know that I used to have my beautiful crafts room. But that is now Archer's nursery, which, you know, he needs that room more than I did. So yeah, okay, right, let's have a little look. Yeah, so I was saying about the desk, sorry. I've fluttered between things there. Yeah, so I do have a new desk now. I've got like a bookshelf that's got like a desk built in. It's really cool. I love it. And it means I get to sit and journal and actually at a desk rather than on my bed or on the carpet or on the sofa. Okay, first of all, we have a planner pack. This is very nice. I love the planner packs that they do. So these come with a big sticker sheet at the back. It has decorative stickers and functional stickers. So not just, you know, decorative like the pandas. It also has functional stickers as well. So you've got functional stickers here, so you can use those as like headers, to-do lists, you know, like these for to-do lists. These can go for like little flag tabs. These are your headers, and then some decorative pieces as well. Even the name there is a sticker. Yeah, that's been cut out as well. So that's cool. Then you have some paper. Now what I do with my leftovers of these, when I get a journal, like some of my journals for like Archer and Olive or Oops a Daisy, they come in boxes, and I use one of the boxes to put any scraps of this back into, so then that way I'm not wasting any. So we've got a pink, this is like a bamboo kind of print, pink and green, a green, again the same but like a reverse of the pattern, which is kind of cool. And then this bamboo one as well. I don't know if it's quite dark actually, so they're not coming up as light because of it's a bit of a dull, dingy day today, so the lighting's not the best. And I've got one of these fancy little, I don't know, camera holder things, but I didn't charge it for the light, so that's not handy at all. And then it comes with like a little card just to explain. Experiment with different dividers. Okay, cool. So there's the card that goes with that, and then finally washi, matches it all quite nicely. So that's the first thing that we got. Let's move that to one side. Let's stick with the washi theme and have a look. So like I said at the beginning, these are all designs from this year's collection. I can't remember off the top of my head what they're all called. I don't actually have any of these. I don't actually have any washi from this year's collection yet, so that's quite nice to have, you know, a nice little collection of them. So yeah, some washi tapes. Very nice. Next up, we have some sticky pads. So this is matching, is it this one? Yeah, they all match. And in fact, the lanyard does as well. So this is like the watertight themed one, which is really nice. Can never have too many sticky notepads. Then the lanyard. I don't actually get much use out of the lanyards because we have to wear a certain lanyard at work. So what I tend to do is leave them hung up on the side of my desk, I've got like little hooks on the side, and then I put all my pin badges in them, the ones that I don't want to take out because they're too nice. I don't want to lose them. Then we have, this is a metallic pen, I think. Yeah, it's like a metallic-y pen, a green colour. Okay, next up we have one of the A5 notebooks. So just a lined notebook. These are really nice just to shove in the back of your journal. You never know when you're going to need to write things down. I tend to use these. I'm a bit of a neat freak. I like my planners and my journals to look neat and tidy, so I will keep one of these. If I'm in a meeting and I want to scribble notes, this is what I scribble on, and then I will write them up neatly. Again, I know that's a lot of work, but I like my things to look neat, so I'll keep one of them in the back just in case I want to scribble on something. Okay, next up we have some to-do pads. These are good to have. I'm forever making massive to-do lists on whiteboards, so these are handy to have on the side of your desk for each day, especially if you've got, I don't know, a learning walk coming up and you've got something that you need to work on to make sure it's ready in time. Having this is more space than you're going to get in your like planner, so do this, clip it in if you want to keep it all in one place. But yeah, I really like these. So we've got, this was one of the designs I was going to go for because it was a hot air balloon, and my little boy's bedroom, his nursery, is decorated with hot air balloons, so I was going to go with that, but I actually went with this one instead. So that's my daily planner that I'm using at the moment. Okay, next, this matches quite nicely with the daily planner. What's this one called? Candied Petals, I think. Or was that the one I've got? No, the one I've got. Maybe this was Lover or something like that. I can't remember all the names. I've still got baby brain. This is a B5 lined, yes, lined notebook. So I might use this for all of like CPD, any training to go all in here to keep all my notes in one place, so I can keep using this year after year until it's full up. Could even add some tabs on the side to keep it really organized, put like a sticker on the front to show what it is, and that goes quite nicely. Yeah, the colors match quite nicely, so that'll be nice as a nice little pair. Cool. Okay, next we have, this is like a big A4 lined pad. That's really nice. This would be lovely, like if I work in reception, but if I worked higher up in the school, maybe like year, I don't know, 5, 6, and you wanted to do some nice writing. It's got a lovely border on it, ready to go straight away. Nice piece to mount up on the wall for like a final copy. Yeah, really like them. I might re-gift these upstairs in my school where Key Stage 2 is, or I'm sure that I will have some notes that I need to take down on them if not. And then finally we have an A4 notebook. Okay, this is lovely. This gives me like fantasy reading vibes. Very nice. Okay, so in here we've got a pocket, you've got a note section, so this section here for all your notes to go in. You have a to-do list section. I love the way these are laid out. Your top priorities, they're the ones you want to get done first, and then your to-do list underneath. Loads of them. Then we have an idea space. I love dot grid. Yeah, I love dot grids. Although I love a dot grid that is slightly lighter, so you can barely see it. This is quite a dark, like a heavy dot grid. I quite like one that's barely there. So then when you've put work on it, it looks like there's nothing there. And then you've also got big ideas, and then meeting. So this is good just to have in the classroom as a backup for when you want to make notes and all bits like that. Okay, that is everything. So this was £40. I think I paid a little bit less. I think when they were over Christmas, they had like a promotion on, so I picked it up slightly less. But if you wanted to grab one at the moment, they're in stock still as of when I'm filming this, and they're not £10, they're £40. But if you was to buy all this individually, it'd be way more than £40. So it's definitely a bargain, as long as you don't mind taking a risk on what design you get. I mean, all the designs are really nice, so I don't think that's a problem, not being able to pick a design. It's just if you want to mix and match designs with what you've already got. So yeah, let's have a look. So we've got the notebook, the big A4 one. We've got the B5 lined notebook. We had the A4 lined paper, A, B, all of those. To-do lists. We have washi tapes. We had our A5 book. We had the planner pack, which is just in the corner down there. We've got the sticky notepads, a pen, and our lanyard to finish it all up. So yeah, that's everything that you get inside one of these mega boxes. They definitely are mega. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that. Keep your eyes peeled over the next couple of days, well, over the next month. There are going to be some reveals of the new covers that are going to be on the 25, 26. Wow, 25, 26, no, 26, 27. That's scary because we're in 2026. They're going to be revealing all the new covers, and I am actually going to be revealing one with you. I'm actually going to be revealing the last cover. It's really exciting. I can't wait for you to see them all. The first one has been revealed as of filming this, so make sure you go and check that out over on their socials. And that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this. I do have a discount code in the description, so make sure you check that out if you want to save some money. And yeah, I will see you all again in the next video. Bye everyone.